Hello, in this tutorial we'll be learning how to change a sprite picture on Scratch. So, first you need to open your Scratch page like this. So, to make a new sprite, you hover your mouse over the Choose Sprite button. So, you can choose if you want to choose a sprite from the sprite library. So if you press that, Scratch has lots of sprites on there that you can choose to use if you want to. So there's lots of them there, and you can search here and you can press buttons to have a look at the category of sprite. So once you've chosen one you might like, so like this apple, you just click it and it should add another sprite. If you don't want the cat sprite, you can delete it here. Then you would have deleted your sprite. So, also, you can make your own sprite by pressing the paint button. So you press that and it look a bit like this. And you use the Scratch's paint editor to make a sprite. So you use the tools at the side to help you draw a sprite. So you can draw, so like this, and then you can use this to select something and delete it if you want to. And then there's also the rubber, the rubber, and also you can do text as well. So that's another way of making a sprite on Scratch. Also, you can press the surprise button to get a random sprite from the Scratch sprite library like this. So this one's one that came up when I press surprise. So once you've got some sprites, so I'll just put on two surprise ones. You can pull them to the place you want them on the screen like this. Then you can also go to a different sprite to add code to it. So if you did add sprite to this knight here, so you could make it move 10 steps, then turn 15 degrees. So that will work for that sprite only. So if you press this button, it should move 10 steps, then move 15 degrees, like that. Then you can also add code to the watermelon. So the watermelon, maybe when you press the green flag, it should go to, and then random position. So then try, and they can both go up at the same time. You can also do the same sort of thing with a backdrop. A backdrop is a background for your entire project. So with the backdrop, it is a background for the project. So we'll just do a surprise here. So this is one of the backdrops. So there's also a backdrop library as well in Scratch with lots of different backdrops. So you can make your own backdrop to make it look like what the theme of your project is. So experiment around a little bit with backdrops and sprites, and hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye!